Hey guys, welcome to our channel. We have 35 divided by 7 times 3 plus 2 in parentheses. Please subscribe to our channel if you like this video for more. Now let's solve this math expression. 3 plus 2 gives us 5, and now 7 times 5 equals 35. At the end, we have 35 divided by 35. So our final answer is 1, but this answer is not correct because according to the order of operations, we have to solve this math expression in this way. First, parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication or division, and then addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority and addition and subtraction have equal priority. So according to the PEMDAS, in first step, we have one parenthesis that we have to solve it first, not this multiplication and this division. If we do this multiplication and this division first, it is wrong. So according to the PEMDAS, we have to start with this parenthesis. 3 plus 2 gives us 5. Now let's rewrite the expression. We had 35 divided by 5, and we have one multiplication here and 5. Now at the next step, we have one division and one multiplication. And as we know, according to the PEMDAS, multiplication and division have equal priority. So we have to work from left to right now. 35 divided by 5 equals 5. Now we have 5 times 5. So our final answer is 25. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if you like this video.